Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Have you longed for a private 4 bedroom, 4 bathroom tropical haven that sits on over half-acre of land with great space to raise your family, located in Barbican, Kingston 6, which is a central location? Or are you desirous of developing an apartment complex given increased density, 75 habitable rooms per acre per the city's parish council for the Halifax neighborhood? Then scroll through these teaser pictures and envision how best to transform existing spaces, optimizing cross ventilation and natural light throughout the home. It comprises of a ground floor bedroom, living and dining rooms, kitchen, pantry, enclosed patio, laundry room, and staff room, plus 3 ensuite bedrooms on the upper level, massive television study areas with double balconies, rooftop deck for entertaining or for future expansion. Extra storage is to the rear of the premises, so too a herb garden. Exotic fruit trees including Suriname and garden cherries, naseberry and starfruit. Shopping, banking, schools, and hospitals are easily accessible. This gem of a property is poised for steady appreciation. Reach out to unlock the value proportion and make it your dream home, development property, or legacy. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is Jamaican 160 million or US 1,039,500. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.